Drawing conclusions and making generalizations from a text passage are critical skills in understanding and interpreting informational texts. These skills allow readers to infer deeper meanings and broader implications beyond the explicit content of the text. This section will guide you through the processes of drawing conclusions and making generalizations, providing strategies to enhance your reading comprehension and critical thinking abilities. Understanding conclusions and generalizations. Drawing conclusions. Drawing conclusions involves using details from the text along with your own reasoning to infer a likely scenario or understanding that is not directly stated by the author. For instance, if a passage describes a character rushing out the door with a briefcase in one hand and a toast in the other, you might conclude that the character is late for work, even though the text doesn't explicitly say so. Generalizations. Making generalizations, on the other hand, involves taking several specific facts or observations from the text and using them to form a broader statement that applies to a larger group or situation. For example, if multiple instances in a text discuss various people struggling to save money, you might generalize that saving money is a common challenge for many people. Strategies for drawing conclusions. 1. Identify key details. Pay close attention to the important facts and details provided in the text. These are the building blocks for your conclusions. 2. Ask questions. As you read, ask yourself questions about the implications of the text. What does this detail suggest? Why is this information here? 3. Use prior knowledge. Apply what you already know to the new information you're reading. Your background knowledge can help you make sense of new details. 4. Look for patterns. Sometimes, conclusions can be drawn by identifying patterns in the text. These might be patterns in behavior, events, or data. 5. Think logically. Ensure that your conclusions make sense based on the information given. Avoid jumping to conclusions that aren't supported by the text. Strategies for making generalizations. 1. Collect multiple examples. Before making a generalization, ensure you have several specific examples or pieces of evidence from the text. 2. Ensure representativeness. Check that your examples are representative of the broader topic or group. Avoid generalizing based on too few examples or examples that are exceptions. 3. Consider counterexamples. Be aware of any information in the text that contradicts your generalization. A valid generalization should hold true in most cases. 4. Use moderate language. When making generalizations, use words like most, many, or often, rather than absolutes like all or always, which may not be accurate. 5. Reflect on implications. Understand the broader implications of your generalization. How does it help to understand the text or the world better? Conclusion. Mastering the skills of drawing conclusions and making generalizations enables you to engage with texts more deeply and thoughtfully. These skills are not just academic, they are essential for everyday decision-making and problem-solving. By practicing these strategies, you can enhance your ability to think critically about the information you encounter in texts and in the world around you. Remember, the key to successful conclusion drawing and generalization is a combination of attentive reading, logical thinking, and critical analysis. With these tools, you can unlock deeper meanings in texts and apply your understanding in various contexts. This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. Subscribe to be notified when new videos are posted. Adult education instructional materials available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.